Knowify doesn't publish a single fixed monthly price because the cost depends on your company size, number of users, and which construction management features you activate. That means two specialty contractors using the same software can still pay very different monthly amounts. By the end, you'll understand how Knowify pricing is structured, what drives the monthly cost up or down, and whether it actually makes sense for specialty contractors or only for larger subcontracting teams. Knowify is construction management software built for specialty contractors like HVAC, plumbing, electrical, and other trade subcontractors. It combines job costing, project management, invoicing, estimating, and scheduling in one platform. The pricing reflects that it replaces multiple separate tools in one system. The first major factor affecting cost is the number of users. Every person who needs access, estimators, project managers, office staff, or field supervisors, adds to the total monthly price. A solo contractor will always land on the lower end compared to a growing team managing multiple jobs at once. The second factor is feature depth. Basic usage usually focuses on estimating, job tracking, and invoicing. More advanced setups add job costing, budget tracking, purchase order management, and integration with accounting tools. As you move deeper into financial tracking and project control, the cost increases because the system is handling more of your business operations. The third factor is how you structure your workflow inside Knowify. Some contractors only use it for estimating and invoicing. Others run their entire job lifecycle through it, from bid to completion to cost tracking. That full system usage usually pushes companies into higher pricing tiers because it replaces more manual tracking and separate software. In practice, Knowify tends to fit contractors who are already managing multiple jobs and need better control over costs, materials, and project profitability. The value comes from reducing budget mistakes, improving job visibility, and keeping financial tracking tied directly to each project. For very small contractors still handling estimates in spreadsheets or simple invoicing apps, the cost can feel high compared to basic tools that don't include full job costing or project tracking. So here's the summary. Knowify pricing depends on users, features, and workflow depth. Costs rise as you add job costing and team members. It's best suited for specialty contractors who need full project and financial control in one system. Next step is simple. List how you currently estimate jobs, track costs, and manage invoices, then compare that to what Knowify replaces so you can see if it's actually adding value or just adding another subscription. If you want more clear breakdowns of contractor software without marketing language, subscribe for more straightforward comparisons.